The moon, the stars, the money, the cars. It don't mean a thing without you, baby. The money I make, the things I do, it don't mean nothing, babe. And that ain't no... What's good, YouTube fam? Today I'm gonna teach you how to play Without You. This is off of larryjune's latest project, The Night Shift, and the song is featuring Blxst. It's a really dope song, and I figured out 3 simple chords that you could play along to. For that, you're gonna need a capo on the 3rd fret, and the 3 chords are the 3 chords are A minor 7, C major 7, and then E minor 7. So this is how you play the chords. So again, capo on the 3rd fret, everything is gonna be relative to the capo. And so that first chord is an A minor 7. And so that's gonna be the 1st fret B string and the 2nd fret D string. And it will sound like this. Okay, that 2nd chord is a C major 7. And that's gonna be the 2nd fret D string and the 3rd fret A string. It'll sound like this. Okay, and the 3rd and final chord is an E minor 7, and that's the 2nd fret A string. It's gonna sound like this. All right, and so that first chord, you're actually gonna play that for 2 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how the progression goes. And so, you know, what I'm really doing is I'm simply just plucking the 4 middle strings, which is the A, D, G, and B string, pretty much the whole time. But, you know, in terms of how you want to strum it or how you want to pluck it, that's up to you. Honestly, that's up to your artistry and however you want to go about it. But for me, that's what I'm doing. And so with the lyrics, it's gonna sound something like this. So with the chorus, I like it because it's a mixture of Blxst and larryjune, you know, singing at the same time. So it'll sound like this. Baby, you the one for me. I just wanna hold you down. Don't worry about nothing, baby. I just wanna hold you down. The moon, the stars, the money, the cars. It don't mean a thing without you, baby. The money I make, the things I do, it don't mean nothing, babe. And that ain't gonna never change. Yeah, so that's the chorus, and then the verse is dope because Blxst is rapping on that. So it's like, I've been around, still ain't the one like the one that I found. You got me stuck, lifting you up while you're holding me down. Tiffany bracelet, how you so patient all the time. Never stepping out of bounds when I triple double out of town. Get the money since you've been around. You like my little lucky charm or some. These bitches really ain't time by none. Soon as I'm out, they come all of a sudden. Gotta be close to home. Never do what I don't condone. But the money, if it come between us, I'll leave the shit all alone. So that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. If you found this valuable and if this helped you out, please go ahead and like this video and comment down below. And please consider subscribing if you want more videos like this. And if you want to learn how to play Get Away by Blxst and Bino, I'll link that video in the description below.